Hello and welcome to our overview of the BLARALA heated towel racks, featuring a stylish 10-bar stainless steel design with a brushed gold finish that resists corrosion and complements any bathroom. This wall-mounted electric towel warmer heats quickly, reaching 104 degrees Fahrenheit in just 2 minutes and up to 158 degrees in 10 minutes for cozy comfort after every shower. You can customize your experience with an intelligent control panel offering adjustable temperature settings from 100 to 160 degrees Fahrenheit and a built-in timer that runs from 1 to 8 hours in 1-hour increments. Installation is simple with all the necessary hardware and clear instructions included to make setup quick and hassle-free. Safety is a priority with UL certification, overheating protection, and an IPX4 waterproof rating, ensuring reliable and worry-free use in your bathroom. The sleek design not only warms your towels, but also adds a modern touch to your space. Enjoy warm, dry towels anytime with this efficient and stylish heated towel rack. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.